Here are 5 common types of networks. 1. Local area network or LAN. A LAN is a group of computers and devices that are connected together within a limited area, such as a home, office, or school. LANs typically use wired or wireless technologies to connect devices, and they can be used to share files, printers, and other resources. 2. Wireless Local Area Network, or WLAN. A WLAN, also known as a Wi-Fi network, is a type of LAN that uses wireless technologies to connect devices. WLANs are becoming increasingly popular due to their convenience and ease of use. 3. Wide Area Network, or WAN. A WAN is a network that connects computers and devices over a large geographical area, such as a country or even the world. WANs typically use leased lines or other dedicated connections to transmit data. 4. Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. A MAN is a network that connects computers and devices within a metropolitan area, such as a city or a large campus. MANs typically use high-speed fiber optic cables to transmit data. 5. Virtual Private Network, VPN. A VPN is a secure private network that is created over a public network, such as the Internet. VPNs are used to protect data privacy and security when connecting to public networks.